Hello. My mother always told me, if you don't have any friends, just make one. So that's what we'll be doing today. This is a friend that I made last night. His name is Charlie and he's very polite. You should say hello to Charlie. That's the polite thing to do. The fun part about making your own friends is that they can be whoever you need them to be. The clay is open. Let's start planning what we're going to make our friend look like. I've been told that I have an issue where I talk too much, and that's probably why I have to resort to making my own friends. So I want to get better at listening. So I think our new friend is going to love to talk. This will force me to learn how to listen, and maybe I'll stop being so goddamn selfish. I find that warming the clay up in my palms before using it makes it so that it's easier to work with. I've been told I'm never easy to work with. We're gonna roll this clay into a ball. Look at that. A ball. I think I want my friend to be a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna warm up a little bit more clay. And we're gonna add it. Along with being talkative, I think our friend is also going to be quite hungry. I like baking. I'm really good at brownies. I think it'd be really fun to have a friend that I could bake for. So that's what we're gonna do, is make a hungry friend. Friend doesn't have to be pretty. You just have to mean something to you. Looks like I'm over 2. On second thought, I want my friend to be smaller. We'll use a knife to cut out the mouth. I'm giving him a mischievous little smile. He's a little bit of a trickster. He likes to gossip, but it's important to be supportive of a friend's hobbies. Now I'm cutting out some teeth so he can chew and bite. Whatever else he'd like to do. They're his teeth now. And you just push the tooth on in there. Gonna give him a tongue. Hard to taste delicious treats without a tongue. Just scoop the tongue on in there. Even though he's just a clay sculpture, I like to think that he's already smiling at me. Think it'd be nice to have someone actually smile at me one time. Oh well. The teeth aren't going to be perfect, but that's okay. He doesn't need to be perfect. I'll love him anyways. Look at him. Isn't he beautiful? Isn't he beautiful? I don't like making legs for any of my friends. I can't make it that easy for them to escape. On second thought, maybe I'll give him some tiny legs to make it easier for everyone. Now I'm just adding some texture for no reason. It's just kind of fun to trace the knife through the clay. I wonder if any other sensation could replicate this. This friend is currently very handsome, but I'll show him to you after we've taken him out of the oven. I'm back. The shirt changes because I couldn't stand one more second of consciousness. So I did what had to be done. I regret waking up. Would you like to see him? Would you like to see my friend? He's still very hot. But I like to punish myself. Here he is. Look at him. Be sure to show me pictures of the friends you made. Comment down below what color or colors I should paint him. What should his name be? Thank you.